Okay, hello guys, my name is Keith. I'm a freelancer in web designing in Zambia. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a minimum of 10 kwacha airtime per day. Okay, for this you need to have a smartphone. You can use as many as possible. So all you need to have is just to install an application called Premise. So all you need to do is to first go to Google Play. Okay, so when you go to Google Play Store, search for the app called Premise. Okay, so what does this app do? Okay, so with this app you can answer surveys and you can get paid, and you can also get paid by reporting the prices of some common products, for example milk, sugar and so on. So they can pay you to do that. Okay, so as for me, I currently use two phones for this app. Okay, and they pay you via mobile money and airtime, especially airtime. Okay, let me just show you how much airtime I've made so far, so that you can believe some a bit. Okay, so I hope you can see this. Okay, so this is the current airtime I have, about 155. So you can make as big the amount as you can. Okay, so let's get started with how you can make money with this same app. But before I continue, I would like you first to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Okay, so when you subscribe, you keep on receiving this type of videos about how to make money here in Zambia. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so once you install the app, all you need to do is to open it. Before you open it, make sure that your GPS is on, so that they can give you things to do based on your location. So once you open the app, wait for it loads. Okay, so on this page, this is where you're going to find surveys. As you can see, to answer a survey, the premium about 0.8 kwacha. Okay, so let's try to answer one survey. So for example, I'll click here, financial institutions. Okay. Okay, so I'll need to answer this survey, and it will take me about 3 to 4 minutes, and it will expire in 59 minutes. So I'll start now. So they're going to ask questions. You need to answer honestly, and you don't need to rush. Okay, so here is the first question they're asking me, at which how do you typically pay for everyday goods and services? So as for me, based on my own experience, I pay via cash. Okay, so they're asking me again, how frequent do I make using cash? It's usually daily, for example airtime. Okay, how often do you make purchases using credit or debit cards? Okay, I like paying for online stuff about monthly, like for my website web hosting. I pay this monthly. How often do you make payment using mobile payment providers, for example M-Pesa? Here they're talking about mobile money. I do this, for example buying airtime also, it's daily. Okay, how often do you think friends and family make purchases using mobile money payments? I'm sure it's daily within them. Okay, how much do you agree with the following statement? Overall, it is easy to obtain cash in my local currency. Yeah, I strongly agree. How would you rate the trustworthiness of financial institutions? Yeah, they are very trustworthy. How much do you agree with the following statement? Over the next year, I believe my local currency will maintain its value. I disagree. Okay. How much do you agree with the following statement? It is easy for me to open a bank account in my area. Yes, it is. Yes, I do have. Okay, I have a commercial bank. And click next. Which of the following best describes how long you typically wait? Okay, me, I opened my bank account online, so it took me less than this. Okay, so less than 5 kilometers. Okay, so in the past year I've used this mobile money. I'll click next. Which category best describes why I use informal finance? I think for me it is easier. Okay, I'll go with this one. Okay, so it's this than this. Suppose I want, okay, uh, zero interest, then I'll click submit. Okay, so before you submit, they'll surely ask you if you surely want to submit. So in case you've got some changes you need to do, you can always go back. But when you submit, you cannot change. So I'll click OK. Okay, so I'm done without survey, and I'll get paid. Okay, so there are other things you can do apart from answering surveys, and one of them is reporting about the prices of things and the current status of roads and so on. For example, here they're asking like report on the price of cow. Okay, so for this I'll need to go in a shop, take a picture of cow's milk with a price tag showing, then upload the pic, then they'll pay me about 1 kwacha. Okay, here food shops will pay me about 2 kwacha. There are a lot of offers, like you can even make like a 20 kwacha per day. Okay, so this is how premise works. And how do premise pays? Okay, they pay you via airtime and mobile money. Okay, um, so these are some of the recent transactions I've been having. Okay, they pay you via mobile money and airtime. So this is currently the task I have to do. So this is how um, premise works. So if you enjoyed the video, feel free to like. If you have any other questions, make sure that you comment. And to keep on receiving money making videos based for Zambia, make sure that you subscribe. Bye bye for now.